Okay, let's look at question number 10. Okay, it says that a rectangular floor has 10 feet, is 10 feet wide and 17 feet long. It's tiled with 170 1-foot square tiles. A bug walks from one corner to the opposite corner in a straight line. Including the first and the last tiles, how many tiles does the bug visit? Okay, I think for this question, maybe we look at this diagram. We look at this diagram. That means, can you see that it is 17 feet long and then 10 feet wide, 10 feet wide. And can you see that it is tiles with 1 foot square, 1 foot square. Can you see that this is 1 foot square? And then 1 foot square, tile in 1 foot square. In total, 17 times 10, that will give you 170 1 foot square tiles, right? Okay, and let's say the bug start from here. The bug start from A, it go all the way to B. It go all the way to B. Therefore, can you see that the bug will go all the way like this, right? Like this. And I think the important idea here is that, can you see that as the bug go, right? Go from A to B in a straight line, the bug actually never touches the corner of a square. That means the bug will never touch the corner of a square, of a 1 foot square. It will always cut the square at some edges, but it will not just touch the corner of a small little square. Right? Because your 10 and 17 are relatively prime. Are relatively prime. What does it mean? That means in this case, the HCF of 10 and 17 is actually 1. Because of this property, we know that as the bug travel from A to B diagonally, it will not touch the corner of a small square. Therefore, in this case, can you see that? What does it mean? That means in this case, starting from the first tile, right? Starting from the first tile, right? The bug must cross. The bug must cross 16 edges. That means in this case, it must go through 16 edges. 16 edges in one direction, and then it must go through 9 edges in one direction, right? In one direction. Therefore, in this case, can you see that therefore, what is the total number of and each time the bug crosses an edge, right, he enters a new tile. Therefore, in this case, because he must cross 16 edges horizontally, right? Horizontally. Therefore, he will cut through 16 new tiles. And then he must also cut through 9 tiles downward. And each time he cut through, cut through these edges, he must actually pass one edge of the square, of a small little square. Therefore, in this case, can I say that? Can I write this? Can I write this? Each time the bug crosses an edge. That means in this case, can you see that horizontally? Horizontally, he must go through 16 edges, right? 16 edges. And when he go through 16 edges, it means that he enters 16 new tiles. Therefore, each time the bug crosses an edge, it enters a new tiles. a new tile. Therefore, in this case, what does it mean? That means in this case, the total number of tiles that he crosses is actually 1. The total number of tiles is actually 1 plus 16 plus 9. 1 is where he started, right? Then plus 16 plus 9. Therefore, in total, that will be 26 tiles. Right? Therefore, in this case, the bug must actually cross 26 tiles in total. Yeah. Okay, with that, I'll stop here.